Hey guys, welcome back, or hello if you guys are new, welcome to my channel. Today I have my very first holiday video for you guys for this year. I am so excited about it because seriously, holiday season is my favorite. I figured I'd kick off these holiday videos now. I'm gonna be sharing the perfect gifting items with you guys today, as well as some tips when you guys are holiday shopping. So we're gonna go ahead and dive on in. It is gonna be all about the new Boxycharm for this year, their first ever holiday box, which is seriously massive. Like, it is so large. Yeah, so I figured I would go ahead and share with you guys this box today since it is limited edition and holiday shopping would be starting right now, so I wanted to go ahead and share. Also, before I get started, I just want to quickly mention too that you don't have to be a subscriber of Boxycharm for, the subscription to purchase this box. You can just get it solely on its own. I'm gonna leave it all down below for you guys in the description, as well as a link down there. Now, this box right here is $99, the one that I have currently, and this one will feature 18 products in here, which I think is so incredible. The value that's in the box though is about $500 for this particular one. So for the fact that you're getting 18 products and it's only $99, that is incredible. So we are gonna go ahead and dive on into this box. I'm gonna share with you guys some tips when you guys are shopping, and if you do get this box, what you can do with it, because you don't have to just gift this one big box, or you don't have to just use this box for yourself. So I think it's perfect for the holidays for this reason. Perfect for Cyber Monday that's coming up and Black Friday. So I wanted to make sure that I got this video up for you guys. And yeah, we're gonna go ahead and dive on into what's in here. So this holiday box is gonna be available from November 20th to November 26th. So just want to let you know that. I will have it below, like I said earlier. There's also gonna be 3 different style boxes like this holiday box. So the one that I have is the $99 one, which is the 18 products. There's gonna be one underneath that for $79 that features 8 products. Then you can also get the last box, which is $59 that has 7 products. So I think it is so incredible. Another great thing about this box is that you don't have to just use this for yourself. You don't have to just buy this for somebody else. You can buy this one box, whichever one fits your budget and whichever one you think would work the best out of the 3 different options. And you can go ahead and gift this to several different people, which I think is incredible. I love customizing my gifts when I give gifts, so I think that you don't feel forced to like buy something and just gift it, It's a really nice thing that you can customize and make it your own. So because this offers so many products inside of the box, you can pick and choose which one you want to give to who, and you can make it like your own little bag, or you can give away the entire box. That is up to you. But I think that it's amazing because you're able to spend, say, the $99 for the 18 products in this box, but give it away to like 5 different people. So you can kind of like just mix and match what you want from this box, and there's your gifts. So if you were to buy for 5 individual people, it probably would be way over the $99 range anyway. To me, this is like an amazing way to get your holiday shopping done pretty much in like one hit, or at least a really good start to your holiday shopping, just because you're able to split it up and it's just amazing. They're high name brands. The first thing that I'm seeing right here is this first layer. So we got a Naked Cosmetics highlighting palette. Right here, this is their holographic palette. We got a Cargo Nude Beach eyeshadow palette. Then we have the Cover FX Blurring Primer. And then we have this brush right here. I am so in love with just the top layer. So this is the Cargo Nude Beach eyeshadow palette. Oh my gosh, so stunning. Oh, yes. So gorgeous. And we know that these products are going to be ranging from like $19 to $20, could be even $45. Like, the amount of these products are pretty up there. Then we have the Naked Cosmetics holographic palette. And I have gotten this before and I have used this before. Some of the products in here I have used, so I absolutely adore them as well, which is really cool. That blue is really gorgeous. The Cover FX primer, which I have used and I really, really love. And then we have this brush, and that is always good. The next 4 items are on this layer right here. I believe all the boxes are gonna be set up like that, where they're like divided. So the first thing I'm seeing is this Crown Pro. This is an eyeshadow palette as well. Oh, this is like gorgeous. This one is super, super stunning. We got some rose golds, we got some browns, we have more of like the brick colors, plum, love it. That is stunning. Oh my gosh, so, so buttery. Love this. Then we have some lashes from Lashaholic. I actually used these in another video. Love them. Style Instagram. Then we have the Pretty Vulgar Nightingale palettes, and I did use this as well in a video. Next up in here, I see the Tarte Pro Glow in the color Stunner. This is a liquid highlighter. We love a highlighter. Ooh. I've definitely used this before. I'm so excited. When I get highlighters, like I get so excited. Oh my gosh. You guys, that's stunning. So that was everything that's in this layer right over here. Next, we're gonna jump into the bottom, which has a little bit more products. Again, like if I was going to gift to somebody, I would probably like gift this eyeshadow palette, these lashes, and this highlighter, and make this one gift. Like this could be for my sister, the other one could be for my mom. And these products cost so much more if you weren't going to get it in a bundle like this. And that also goes for gift sets as well. Like you can always do a gift set, but I love the fact that this you actually can pick and choose. It's not already in something, if that makes sense. So that is why I absolutely love this. Moving into the bottom section of this box, we have all of those goodies in there. Seriously, amazing. I am so in love with this right now. There's so many goodies. Oh my God. Okay, so the first thing that I'm seeing is the IT Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. I love a mascara, so that is amazing. Then we have the English Laundry number 7. I think this is a perfume. Yes, this is a perfume. Super pretty packaging. This will also come in here. Then we have the Galactic Skin Glow in Moonlight, the highlighter and a little bit of a blush, but they're like luminous. Super pretty. Then I see the Luscious Angel Eyes Eyeshadow Primer and Base. Oh cool, so this one is kind of more like a concealer consistency. It's not like a silicone. It actually looks and feels just like a concealer, and it's really thick as well. Ooh, that's nice. Wow, okay. Cool. We got some more brushes in here. These look like eye brushes. We got a crease brush, a flat top, and then a defined brush. So nice. The next thing in here, which I was super excited about, is a Tarte palette. This is the Park Ave Princess. This is their chisel palette, so it's gonna be a contour palette. So pretty. I've heard so many good things on this as well. This is what the palette looks like. It smells good. Pretty nice. I love the fact that Tarte is in here as well. Wow, the next product in here is the Cover FX Glitter Drops. This one is in the color Lunar. I did just use the other one actually. I actually really liked this. Ooh, this is the blue one. So cool, very fun. Next up, I see a Kat Von D liquid lip color, and this one is in the color Sanctuary. Beautiful, beautiful color. Love that. Yes, I love this. This is definitely my kind of color. Oh yes, beautiful. Absolutely stunning. And we know how expensive Kat Von D could be, so girl. So amazing you're getting it in this. Then I see the Sweet Almond Cuticle Oil. And then I see another product from that line called the Adise High Definition Liquid Lipstick. Oh yes, girl, my kind of color. Super pretty. So those are all of the items that are in this box right here. Seriously, such a steal. Like you guys know, I love doing my Boxycharm videos every single month. I personally look forward to getting them at my doorstep. It's just different products every single month, so like why not? So now if you don't actually get this box between that time frame that is available, since it is limited edition, you can always go ahead and gift the original box, which is the $21 a month box that has 5 full-size items in it. Now that will give you a subscription, but you can still do that if you would like. And then you can also do their Boxy Luxe. Totally hop on. I will leave this all down below. So that is everything that's in this Boxycharm, and I am seriously in love with it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, maybe found it a little helpful, maybe have a little head start to your shopping for the holiday season, and hopefully some of the tips that I had given were a little bit helpful. So I hope you guys did enjoy, and I will see you guys in my next video.